my mom goes, so I was coming out front because I heard screaming and cars screeching, and then I saw you and Ryan. And then she went and looked at me and cocked her head, and I'm like, oh, she knows I'm drunk.